Teacher and School-Related Employee of the Year nominations website will serve as your one-stop shop for selecting your nominees, completing the nomination forms, and uploading photo submissions. First, you'll need to log in with your Polk County Public School username and password. On the left, you'll see multiple navigation channels. The first thing you need to do is assign your school's nominee for Teacher of the Year and School-Related Employee of the Year, found in the Manage Nominees channel. Here you'll find the eligibility and criteria requirements, as well as buttons which allow you to make your selection. Warning: it's important that you wait to select your nominees until after you have publicly announced your Teacher and School-Related Employee of the Year. As soon as you select your nominees on this form, they will immediately receive a notification email. Select your nominee by clicking Select Nominee, entering his or her SAP number, and clicking Make Nominee. Next, you'll want to appoint some designees to assist you in completing the nominations, found in the Manage Designees channel. Examples of designees may include your secretary or assistant principals. These designees can take responsibility for different aspects of the nomination that we'll discuss later. To add a designee, click the Find User button and search by name or SAP number. Click Select and use the checkboxes to determine whether you wish this designee to make changes to your teacher's information, your employee's information, or have rights to upload a video, which we will discuss later. But for now, click Add to confirm your selection. You can always go back and edit or remove your designees if necessary. On the Teacher Forms channel, you'll be able to see the information required in order to complete your school's Teacher of the Year nomination. Your nominee is responsible for completing the first 4 tabs: Nominee Info, Resume, Teaching Practice, and FLDOE Message. As principal, you are required to personally complete the Principal's Recommendation tab. It is highly recommended that you write out your statement in Microsoft Word and copy and paste it into the response field. Additionally, your school is required to submit a photo using the Photo tab. Please ensure that this is 1, a high-quality photo, and 2, it honors the individual. This photo will be seen by the public. Similarly, on the School-Related Forms channel, you'll see that your employee nominee is responsible for completing the tabs labeled Nominee Info and Resume. If your school-related employee is unable to submit this information alone, please appoint a designee to enter the information on their behalf. You or your designee must complete the statement of the nominating committee and ensure that a photo is uploaded as well. Keep in mind that all tabs must be completed by this date. Once your nomination submission is completed, we ask that your school produce a 60-second video each about your nominees. Work with your school's ITV teacher to produce this. Or if you do not have an ITV program, send an email to jeremy.cobble@polk-fl.net for assistance. Once your video is produced, you or a designee may upload the video on the Video Tributes channel. These videos will be due by this date and will not, I repeat, will not be a part of the judging process. If you have any questions, please contact Marissa Green in the Public Relations Office.